Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I wanted to talk about two mistakes that most people make when they start going to the gym in an attempt to fix pectus through building muscle. And these two mistakes make your pectus worse, and they're super common as well. Okay, so firstly, the first mistake is training chest too much. So the reason why this is such a big mistake is with pectus, being born with it, so is associated with having tight chest muscles. This then pulls us into this really rounded forward shoulder position, which makes the indent and the cavity of the chest look way deeper. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that we actually loosen these out to pull it out, and that makes the pectus look a lot less deep, okay? I talk about this all the time, so if you've been familiar with me, you know. And too many people I see, they just go and train chest. That's not good. We don't want to be just training chest, okay? It's really important we balance it with back and other muscles. We still want to train chest. It's still a fundamental part, and I talk about training chest all the time, but it's very important that it's balanced. And so many people just want to go hit chest day, and that's only going to make things worse because it's going to give you that bad posture. So don't do that. It's a massive mistake, okay, and it will make things worse. Train chest, but make sure you balance it out with stretching, and you balance it out with training your posterior chain and your back, okay? We need to pull just as much as we push, okay? So that's a big mistake. Don't make it. Mistake number two is going on a bulking diet. So they're like, let's just eat anything we want. Let's do the dirty bulk where we eat pizza, we eat burgers, we eat all this shit. That is not the way to do it, guys. That's not the way to build muscle, okay? When you do that, you're gonna end up feeling like shit. Therefore, you're not gonna be able to perform well in the gym. Therefore, you're not gonna be able to lift as much weight. When you do that, you're also gonna probably go over the top of your calorie surplus and put on excess body fat. When you put on excess body fat, it's gonna contribute to the whole pot belly. It's gonna make your muscles less defined because we've got that body fat. You're gonna be holding water and inflammation from all the junk food you've been consuming, and your physique's gonna look like shit. What ends up happening when you do these two mistakes together is you have the rounded shoulders posture with, you know, the sunken chest and making it all look so much worse. And then you're trying to bulk with all these foods that are just wrong, and you're eating all these bad foods. Then you start getting that pot belly, and then you get this skinny fat physique, and you don't actually build any quality muscle. Guys, and these are really, really common mistakes. You need proper nutrition, a slight caloric surplus if you're skinny, or a slight calorie deficit, and doing everything steadily and the right way, tracking your intake, tracking your protein, making sure you're eating organic whole foods, mostly unprocessed, okay? Super important, okay? And same with the training. You need to make sure you got a good chest to back ratio. You need to make sure, you know, you're training all your muscles. You're not going to make your posture worse or create some kind of imbalance, okay? It's very important that we are training properly. We're training each muscle the right amount, and the nutrition isn't just some dirty bulk. You know, you need to be eating good food. So there are two mistakes, guys, that will be making your pectus worse. If you're making them, please stop. If you're thinking about starting the gym, please don't make those mistakes. Sign up to my coaching, PectusPT, the world's only pectus specialized personal trainer. And it's not too late to enroll in the 2022 Transformation Challenge as well, which is the best offer I have ever had. Biggest discounts ever, and it's just awesome. There's a few client spots available, so link in the description to apply for that. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys. Bye.